Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna not taste fishy. First, let's start with the basics. Begin by thoroughly draining your canned tuna to remove all the packing liquid, whether it's water or oil. Next, rinse the tuna under cold running water for about 30 seconds. This helps wash away some of the compounds that contribute to a strong fishy taste. Finally, pat the tuna completely dry with paper towels before mixing it. Now, let's talk about the power of acidity. Adding an acidic element is one of the most effective ways to combat fishiness. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice, perhaps 1 to 2 teaspoons, can make a huge difference. Alternatively, a small splash of apple cider or white wine vinegar, about 1 teaspoon, works wonders. These acids neutralize the alkaline compounds responsible for that strong fishy aroma, balancing the flavor beautifully. Next, let's enhance the flavor with aromatic additions. Fresh herbs like dill, parsley, or chives, about 1 tablespoon finely chopped, introduce bright, fresh notes that complement tuna well. Don't forget spices such as a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a pinch of paprika, or a 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Even finely diced onion or celery, about 1/4 cup, can add a pleasant crunch and help mask any lingering fishiness. Finally, consider your binders and texture. Creamy ingredients like mayonnaise or Greek yogurt, about 2 tablespoons, can significantly mellow the tuna's strong flavor while adding richness. Mashed avocado, about 1/4 of a medium avocado, offers a healthy, creamy alternative with a mild taste. Incorporating finely diced vegetables such as bell peppers or cucumbers, about 1/4 cup, also adds a refreshing crunch and helps create a more balanced and enjoyable dish.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.